Okay, I've got some blue piping gel here. I just used the royal blue in piping gel, and I'm actually going to need a little bit more. So I might as well just kind of lighten it up a little bit. So we're going to have some water around it and a little bit of grass also. So what I did is I took the same green that I was using, added a little bit of leaf green and brown to it to get a darker green. Another thing, I want to put some cattails back here, like just 3. Cattails are going to have to be done on skewers because it's kind of a big, a lot of times I do them on spaghetti, but this is too big for that. So I'm using a piece of styrofoam. I'm just going to take some buttercream and pop it down here. You can use cake, but it's not as stable, and you can tape this down or hot glue it down to make it even more stable. Slap this on there. Let me get a different spatula. Spread this out. So basically I just want some green and then some piping gel. Like I said, so this can be like the little bank, so behind him here can be a little bit of a bank. And then maybe he could be partly in the water. Do there. Now this part is actually going to be easier. Say I start the water in here, take the gel, and go ahead and do the gel first. Then I'll go ahead and I'll put some of this in a bag, just a parchment bag, no tip on it, just so I can get in there between his legs. I can't really get in there with the spatula that well. There's already a hole in this, so I don't need to cut one. I at least get close to his feet, then I can use the spatula to kind of pull some of this out. Go. So I'll just use it up. Okay, so I do that and then come back and take some buttercream around the edge, like this. And then I'll just continue it back here.